When they came, there was a guy waiting for them. Yeah, they're both boxed.
What car was it?
On surveillance anyway.
Anyways, I've got cameras in my house.
Okay.
Okay?
We'll look all that. We've got cars circulating. There's an ambulance on the way.
Yeah.
Why would it just grab you on number, please?
My Lexus.
Stomach?
I don't know. I feel on my stomach.
Do you want to drink a bit of water so your baby can move?
والله الحمد لله على سلامته ولادك الحمد لله على سلامتك أخي منو معروف
هو اللي تبع
سود السود
سماون
432 369.
رحمة الله عليهم.
نحن سبحان الله هم ماشيها الأطفال نحن بأخذوا هالأطفال
بالسيارة كمان روحوا فيها.
كانوا حطوا الأولاد.
I came and I found them. I jumped in the car with this. Where's that man? I screamed on the side of the road. My scarf was off and everything. I don't know what the hell happened to me. This guy came, picked me up. I jumped in with him. We tried to block off the roundabout because we knew he came in here. The kids, I found them here on the side of the road.
How did he get out from?
He went around and gave it and smashed it and went.
He picked up his friend.
I was driving there looking. Hopefully I'll find him in the village.
No.
Yeah, I
He came in here. He was stuck in here. Didn't know he got stuck in here. He tried to get out. But he got out through everyone.
It's like his country.
Young?
Full in change.
Yeah.
But he's fat. No, his friend wasn't in the
It's ringing
car.
out. It's ringing
No,
out.
he was standing there waiting for him, and then he went to pick him up.
They're not
Probably a fresh.
You're not going to answer the
No,
phone.
it's probably a fresh.
You guys can track.
Yeah, we're making it.